Okay guys, I want to just show you a quick tour around the place that we're staying at here in Nasugbu Batangas. And so this is just the parking area right here. So anyways guys, we're here for Mother's Day. So for Arlene. This is actually where we checked in right here. So this area that we're coming towards here to the left, straight ahead, is just the garden area. All of this, of course, is accessible to us as the guest. But check this out, guys. This area too, this place that we booked, is good for 16 people. Okay, so you can do special events here, but it's just the 4 of us. So we have this big garden area. We just come through here. And you can see right here, that's the villa that we're staying at. It's like a little private villa. And this is another angle of the garden area. So it's a lot of nature around us here, which is nice. If you're from the city, like Metro Manila area, this is like a perfect getaway. We just passed through Tagaytay and it was crazy over there. I'm just glad that we're not spending the weekend over there. But okay, so this is the entrance to the villa from the garden area. All right, so we're gonna come up here. Okay, and then the first thing that you see basically is the outdoor dirty kitchen area right here. I'm going to show you the rest of the place, but this is the villa that we're staying in. So you can see there's a lot of space here if you have like a big family or a special event. And then more seating area here. I'm going to show you the dirty kitchen area, and it's fully equipped. Kitchen, so you have a refrigerator. The cool thing, we have free hot water and cold water, and then you have all the kitchenettes, utensils, everything here. Okay, and then there's actually an outdoor bathroom. This is the outdoor bathroom. Okay, so come in here, and then this is the actual door here that goes into the villa. Okay. All right. Pretty nice. Let me show you. So the first room basically is another bathroom. So we have 2 bathrooms here. Okay. First room is just a room with a whole bunch of bunk beds and a separate AC unit. So you have 4 bunk beds in here. Nice. And this is the seating area. Okay. Nice seating area. And then the other room here, right next door. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna get to the good part, but this is like the master bedroom. So you have a think that's a queen size, and then you have another mattress here. Okay. And then of course we have, you know, a TV. Simple decor, nothing fancy. There is Wi-Fi, so you can see the Wi-Fi spot right there, the Wi-Fi password and network. But check this out, guys. So this is the main seating area, but the best part here is the pool we have, and we're gonna go in there. So we have to go through the sliding door right here. Wow, guys, check this out. This is all included in our private villa. Hey guys.
Hello.
Say hi. Peepa's ready to go swimming. Okay, so this area right here, it's not too deep, but it's I think it goes up to 5 feet, something like that. 4.5, 5 feet. Hey. So this is the angle here. We have the adult pool, and then right behind it, where Peepa's gonna be, that's the kiddie pool. So in this area right here, I think it's like the owner of the villa.
Hey.
Hi, baby.
Come here.
And then this is the different angle of the outdoor area with the pool and the villa. Okay. Let's go take a look at the, so over here would be the parking lot here. And then this area right here overlooks the garden that we started the tour on. Okay. The steps. And then the kiddie pool. And the villa, guys. This is our little getaway, Mother's Day getaway for today. You wouldn't know it, but I'm a poet, guys. All right. Are you ready to go swimming?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me put this camera away and let's get down to business. Let's go check out Mommy here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hey, Mommy. Say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
And there's
Thank
Fifi.
you, baby.
This is our little getaway. Okay, say we'll see you guys later.
We'll see you guys later.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.